how to build a form plus the semicolon. So whatever happens in this cell is dependent on what happens in that cell. Now watch when I press that button, whoop, bam, everything got cleared off. So it moved my information into this row. I put my marquee in data, Control A, Control Shift F3. These values are going to be the names of our ranges. And now look at this other one that we have available right here. The indirect function. We want the indirect function to refer to whatever are the contents of this cell. We're going to give our macro a name. We're going to call this macro add data. Paste the values only. Notice it's this one right here into my define names range, and I'm going to go to form data. Boom, just like that. Right click, and then I see that I've got the option to assign a macro to it. I can just press submit the form. Now it's all cleared, and boom, there it is. How was that? We've done it. You know that I love you, and I want you to keep on learning. And remember, don't get mad. Get skills. Aloha.